गोय चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीजान आपल्या लीडर्स एट GCCI व्याख्यानमाळा घडोवन हाडली. इन्क्लुसिव्हिटी वुमन अँड इंडिया एट 2047 व्या विशयाचेर चर्चा घडोवन हाडली. शाजिया इल्मीन GCCI अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास देंपो हांचे कडेन चर्चा केली. सुलक्षणा सावंतान सांगले, सर्व समावेशकतेचे संकल्पनेत कुटुंब, काम, समाज आणि राज्य हांचो आस्पाव जाता. कॉर्पोरेट आणि राजकारणात बायलांचे महत्व तिणे सांगले. नामनेची दूरचित्रवाणी पत्रकार शाजिया इल्मीन आपल्या जिवितातल्या संबंधित वेगवेगळ्या विषयाचेर भाष्य केले. घरात, शाळेत आणि कामाचे सुवातेर समावेशकतायेची मानसिकताय घडोवपाची गरज तिणे उक्तायली. GCCI अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास देंपो हांनी बायला सशक्तीकरण आणि समावेशकता अशा व्यापक विषयांक स्पर्श केलो. बायलांचे सशक्तीकरण आणि बायला उद्योजक ह्या संदर्भातही श्रीनिवास हांनी भाष्य केले. तशेंच 2047 वर्सा गोंया खातीर समावेशक आणि टिकाऊ उदरगतीचेर GCCI थीम डॉक्युमेंट दाखयलो.
As we gather here to contemplate the future of our beloved nation, let us first acknowledge the undeniable truth that India's progress is intrinsically tied to the status and empowerment of its women, which is happening to a large extent. Inclusivity for women is not merely an option, but an imperative for the nation aspiring to fulfill its immense potential.
I really think that a more equitable world, where dreams of a girl are not decided by her anatomy, or the family background she comes from, or the religion or caste that she comes from, but because of the merit of who she is and the gravity of her intent and the color of her dreams, that should decide her future. And I look forward to that India where lots and lots of young girls can fulfill their destinies instead of facing all the obstacles that many of us here have faced. And I want to work towards a world which will give them that. That is my honest prayer.
When it comes to state, be it bureaucracy, be it judiciary, be it active politics rather, we have a long way to go. And I think, when we will have participation in this, we will still say that, yes, this is a woman-led development. So when I'm saying that we have to have a woman-led development, we need to have a woman inclusivity over here. It is these four institutions which we need to take care of. That's family, that is our community, workplace, and also at the state. Now, having said that, I think these are the institutions which will further bring about equality. These are the ones which are going to bring about the justice, the freedom that we want, okay? And much more, these kind of institutions need to be much more tolerant towards women. What we also need to do is that reach out to the people, go to those classes, make them understand those schemes, and see to it that their participation will be there in such kind of a program. They avail these facilities, and that's what is going to bring about the change. Mind you, we are talking about a nation of 140 crore, wherein we are 70 crore, which is not a less number. Let us together bring up about this change and see a better Bharat at 2047.
Goa365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगेज, मनीष परब आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.